From the Crow's Nest website, download the version of Crow's Nest you want to update to. In Crow's Nest, go to Settings, Options, and on the General tab, look at the Install File location. Move the Crow's Nest installer to the Install File location and double-click to run it. Click Next and click the checkbox to agree to terms. Now select the features to be installed on this computer and press Next. The Crow's Nest Setup Wizard will now finish the installation of Crow's Nest. Click Finish to close the Crow's Nest Setup Wizard. Open the Crow's Nest database utility. Ensure you have the proper server and database, and click Update Database. You'll get a warning to do a backup. Click Yes to perform a backup. When the backup is complete, click OK to begin the database update. When the database update is complete, click OK on the utility and log into Crow's Nest. You can verify the update was completed by clicking on Help, About, and noting the version.